Hi friends, welcome back to our channel V4 Vloggers. So ನಾವಿವತ್ತು Kia Sonet DCT ಕಾರ್ನ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಹರ್ಷ್. ಸೊ ಅವನು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸಾನೆಟ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕಾರ್ನೇ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಣ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹರ್ಷ್, ನಿನ್ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ತಗೊಂಬೇಕು?
No, no, I only wanted automatic car. So test drive also I did only for automatic.
ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್. ಸೊ
No,
ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು
I tried Venue
ಹ್ಮ್
3XO. We went to the Mahindra dealership, but the model wasn't available for test drive.
DCT ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್.
Test drive it was not available because we went late in the evening. He told that test drive is not right now.
ಯಾ ಯಾ
So we test drove Venue, Sonet, and Altros.
Altroz. So even Altroz has automatic.
Yeah, DCT.
DCT. Okay. Good. So what was your budget?
My budget was 10 lakhs, but within 10 lakhs there is no automatic
There's no
car.
automatic.
So I increased
I
my
mean, there's
budget.
no good automatic.
No good. So I increased my budget to 12 lakhs.
So on road is ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನಿನ್ car?
On road it's 1190 something. But
Including all accessories.
including all accessories, everything. But loan processing fees if you include, so it gets to exactly 12 lakhs.
12 lakhs. So interiors, accessories ಏನೇನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ದೆ showroom ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Showroom accessories, they gave this chrome with silver visor they gave.
Okay.
This rain
Rain,
visor they gave. This sonnet badging,
Protector,
this
side
protector. Yeah, and back also they gave this
Chrome
finish.
Seat covers?
Seat cover is fabric only.
You didn't put the extra seat covers?
No, no, no. So this wind screen comes with the model only.
Oh, this is
It is
company fit.
company fitted. So from outside I only fitted the steering cover.
ಇದು ಯಾವ ಮಾಡೆಲ್? HTK optional.
Optional. So they launched this model in March of
This
this
year.
year, and in April only I got it. So it is a very
Now I
very new
understand
model.
why there are not much videos on this car.
Ah. So on YouTube I was trying to find videos for this model, but there were no videos.
Okay. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವೆನ್ಯೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
So in driving experience, both were good because I think the engine is the same. Only.
Same, yeah.
Yeah, and not like. But the interior feel and from the outside, Sonet looks better.
ಸೊ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಾನೆಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ವೈಸ್?
Space wise, Venue is
Venue is better.
bigger because it is more of a family car.
ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ easily
Back
3
side,
people can sit.
easily 3 people.
And
This is also 5-seater, but backside I don't think 3 people can comfortably.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಂಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ 5
Venue is,
seater.
but its design is a boxy
Boxy.
design, and that thing, so
This looks more
this looks
sporty.
more sporty. Yeah.
ಹರ್ಷ್, ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫೀಚರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
So positives, I think the look and feel of the car is very
ಸೊ
good.
ಯು
The
ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಓವರ್ ಲುಕ್?
overall look from the inside and from the outside also it looks very good, and the driving experience is also good.
So there's no lag in AMT?
No lag, pickup is good, and it is very smooth turbo engine. Especially when I'm overtaking, it is
So you feel confident?
very confident. So earlier I have only driven NA engine. So in that I don't feel
That
this much
power,
power is not there.
Correct.
And since this is DCT, so the gear shift is also very
Smooth.
smooth. Like I have also driven AMT. So in AMT you
So
don't feel
ನೀವು
confident.
AMT ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
No, AMT previously I have tried using Zoom car.
Zoom
I
car.
went to Purg.
Okay.
So that time I rented AMT Exter.
Extra. So you didn't feel?
No, in overtaking, especially on single lanes, it is very difficult. You can't overtake easily.
So with DCT
With
engine,
DCT, it is very good.
it's almost equal to manual car.
Yeah. So the gear shift is very smooth.
Negatives or anything that you didn't like?
Only negative I don't like about this car is the mileage. It could have been better. I mean, it is in the MID it is showing 10.4.
In the display itself, it is showing 10.
Yeah, it is, and even I filled it up with Shell petrol, so it is a good petrol. but still it is showing 10.4. So I think it will only give
ಎಷ್ಟು
9, 10.
ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಓಡಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ?
Total I have driven till now 460 kilometers.
460 from the time you bought.
Yeah, from the time. So it has only
City
been
driving or highway?
once I went to
Airport.
Chandratal airport,
Airport road.
those areas I've been to. So currently the mileage which is showing is a mix of highway
Highway
and
and
city,
city.
both
So average 10 to 11.
10 to 11. It is showing, but it will give.
After first service,
Uh,
maybe 1 or 2
so
extra.
that's what I'm expecting in the first service. I have this complaint to them that please look at the mileage. Maybe they will tune the
Yeah,
engine a
yeah.
bit and do something so that the mileage
So
improves.
mileage is the drawback.
Yeah.
in this car. And what else?
Space is also a drawback if you have a family
Bigger
of
family.
4 5 people. Then
Then they
back
might go for
space,
venue.
then they can go for venue or even Ciros. They
Mahindra.
can go. Mahindra. But if they want to go in Kia, they can go to with Ciros.
Ciros.
Uh,
Did you try Ciros as well?
no, I
No.
didn't test drive because that is a family car. I wanted a bit sporty.
Not too compact, but compact car
Compact car, and ground clearance of Sonet is more. So that
compared to other
compared to others, yeah, good ground clearance. So off-roading and everything is good.
Oh.
And Kia also as a brand, I liked the showroom experience and the dealership experience
Yeah,
is
yeah.
very very premium.
That is very good actually.
Ah.
Compared to other brands, especially compared to Mahindra and Tata,
Yeah, it is
Kia
very good.
showroom experience and service experience is like
Yeah.
very good.
Service I'm yet to go to, but
Yeah,
I've heard
but
that
I've heard it's very good. Kia, like when I was buying car, 2 years back ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್
Sonet.
ಸಾನೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟಿಫ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ?
So I think this is in this model they have improved the suspension a bit because it is very recent. And I think as I drive more, it will get improved, especially after first service. It should improve.
So do you feel it is more stiff or?
No, for me it is okay.
It is okay.
Yeah, but I have heard that Sonet has stiff suspension, but I didn't feel any of this.
Okay,
in
so
this one.
then they might have improved it.
They have improved, yeah. And one more reason for buying Sonet was that the engine is very reliable. It is
Correct.
proven,
Yeah,
tested, so no risk in that. Like
Correct. Maintenance is very low.
yeah, maintenance.
I mean, engine maintenance is very low.
But I think DCT might have higher maintenance cost
But not
compared
too
to
much.
manual.
Compared to manual, yeah. Okay. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಿಯಾ HTK ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ DCT ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.